9 o'clock. Oh, you show everybody your octopus? Wow. I am in the playroom here with the hat. Playroom with Pepe. And we're gonna get ready to leave here soon to go to her Wiggles and Giggles gymnastics. Technically it said it lasts till the 23rd, but I'm assuming that they won't have it next week because it is, well, don't step on it, because it's Thanksgiving, so we wouldn't go anyways. But yeah, you stepped on it, didn't you? Yeah. Anyways, we are gonna get ready to go here soon. Lynn is at preschool. Oh, she's riding the kitty cat. Woohoo! Kitty cat's riding the elephant now? Wow. Oh my goodness, it's climbing the TV. Oh, did they make it? Okay. Do they need to climb it again? Uh-oh. Let them climb the TV again. Oh, that was hard work. Oh, that was hard work.
He comes on his hands and he's a lot at home. He's getting really fast.
Here we are at Wiggles and Giggles. Is everything set right on this? Everything looks okay on it? Yep. And this is Omar filming. Yay!
Alright guys, it is now 5 o'clock. Everybody's awake from nap.
And I have a stomach ache.
She says Daddy has a stomach ache, so he needs to eat because he's hungry. Well, that's the way she interpreted everything anyways.
I have a stomach ache.
Jacob is on babysitting duty because my mom and I are gonna go grocery shopping. And we're getting a little bit for Thanksgiving too. So we're gonna probably be there a while and spend a lot of money today.
Play with you.
Also because we don't have much food at all. The girls have literally, show you, like no snacks in the pantry. All their snacks go in these bottom ones. And all they have is one thing of crackers, which they don't, oh, that was all crushed up anyways. They don't even eat that. Peyton will take it apart and just eat the cream cheese in the middle. And 2 of these. That's all they have for snacks. So you really need to stock up on that, huh?
Yes, we need to buy more snacks.
Yeah. Mommy will buy more, okay?
And more juice.
And more juice. I think we have enough juice.
I want juice. I want juice.
Hey guys, I am ending the vlog in the bathroom again. Jacob's sleeping. I don't want to talk out there. So, it's baby monitor. Anyways, it's been a busy day. Busy, and I got another bow order today. The same bow, same black and red bow, but I only have 1 left of the big one and 2 left of the little ones. And like I said before, I can't find the fabric anywhere, so we did go ahead and order some online. It's not gonna be the exact same, but it's gonna be very similar. So because that's the bow that everyone seems to want. But tomorrow's gonna be another busy day full of preparing for Peyton's birthday party, and we have a Thanksgiving potluck with Jacob's Squadron to go to too, and it's just very busy next couple weeks, as I said before. So I will see you guys tomorrow.